Well, good morning. I'm out with the babies. There's Sunday. There he is. And I'm picking up after Ash. And the bags that we usually get, that's the name. And they changed the bags and the color. But look at this. It says how many bags are left. That's so cool. It's the small things, you know? The small things. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It has been a busy morning. It is 11:26 now. I finally got to journaling and some meditating while I was in bed earlier. Made breakfast, my famous pancakes, got to shower, and now I'm finally out with the dogs again. And what is on the schedule is I forgot to give my accountant my kilometers for 333 on the license plate. My accountant the kilometers for last year, so because I didn't write them down, now I need to go through the Uber Eats app and record all them and stuff like that and put it down in my ledger for CRA. So that is going to take up about a half an hour, I would hope, maybe 45 minutes, and better not be longer than that because my mom and I have found something really awesome, and we were working on it yesterday while I was talking to my accountant, and we didn't finish because then it was time to take the dogs out and have supper and go to bed. So we're going to work on it as much as we can today. And yeah, I'm excited about it. Another stream of income. Boop, boop, boop. My pop socket fell off, so this is going to be fun doing this. But what I wanted to say is, since we become a marketplace e-commerce store, we have launched, I believe, 5 brands. And tomorrow we're going to start doing company-wide training on them. 2 of them tomorrow and 2 of them on Friday, which is amazing. So that way we know everything we need to know about them for our customers and affiliates to be able to train them and help people solve issues with their bodies and stuff like that. So I'm very excited for that. Hey y'all, so it is almost 2. I'm finally almost done with my kilometers for Uber Eats, writing down the calculating the individual days, and almost done. Finished with April, and I realized I forgot to take my sprays, so I'm done my core keto. More is coming in, but appetite suppressant 365. I was supposed to take it this morning with breakfast, and I just kept forgetting. Holding under the tongue for 15 seconds. And E-Cell Natural Detox Cellular Energy. This is what's going down right now. I don't know how I have become the one that is the best at making coffee, making pancakes, making eggs, and making peanut butter and jam sandwiches. So that's what we're having as an dessert-ish to supper, because I had chicken for supper. You're not having any, you silly girl.